How to connect to a Wi-Fi network on a Kindle Keyboard. Is your 3G a bit spotty on your Kindle Keyboard? Try connecting it to a Wi-Fi network. This article will tell you how to do that. 1. Press the menu button. 2. Use the 5-way controller to move the cursor until the cursor is positioned on top of settings. 3. Press the Enter button in the middle of the 5-way controller. 4. Press the down arrow once on the 5-way controller, so that your cursor is now resting over the top of the button labeled View, which is the setting for dealing with the Wi-Fi settings. 5. Locate the Wi-Fi network you'd like to connect to. Use the 5-way controller until the cursor is sitting on the Connect button to the applicable network you'd like to connect to. 6. Press the Enter button from within the 5-way controller. 7. Type your password that is connected to the Wi-Fi device. 8. Move the cursor until it is resting over the Submit button in the password box's password box, and press the Enter key in the middle of the 5-way controller to save this network for further use. 9. Press the Home button to head back to your bookshelf to save your work.